Is your Lexus TPMS light on? First, ensure your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI found on the sticker inside your driver's side door. If the light persists, attempt a TPMS reset. For many Lexus models, this involves driving at a consistent speed around 25 to 50 miles per hour for about 10 to 20 minutes to allow the system to recalibrate automatically. If that doesn't work, locate the TPMS reset button, often found under the steering wheel or in the glove compartment. With the ignition on but the engine off, press and hold the button until the TPMS light blinks a few times. If the light remains on, a sensor may be faulty or the system may require a relearn procedure, indicating professional help may be needed. If a simple reset doesn't solve the TPMS issue, a relearn procedure is necessary, especially after tire rotations or sensor replacements. Some Lexus models automatically relearn after driving at highway speeds, while others require an OBD2 scanner to program new sensor IDs into the vehicle's ECU. For models requiring manual relearn, an OBD2 scanner connects to the vehicle's diagnostic port to program the new sensor identification numbers into the electronic control unit. This ensures the system recognizes each tire's pressure sensor correctly. For sensor replacement, always use OEM sensors, such as the Schrader Easy sensor for best compatibility with your Lexus. Aftermarket sensors may seem cheaper, but have a 30% higher failure rate within 2 years. Common problems include battery failure, which can last up to 10 years, and corrosion damage. Replacing valve stem caps regularly can prevent corrosion buildup. If DIY relearn procedures fail, consult a professional mechanic. Lexus service bulletins often provide software updates to resolve false TPMS warnings. Additionally, be aware of potential recalls for TPMS issues, particularly on models like the RX and GX. In these cases, a dealership repair is mandatory to ensure safety. Remember, regular TPMS checks are crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and preventing unexpected system failures.